Don't pay off your mortgage. Yes, that's right. Most people in the UK think the smartest thing they can do with their mortgage is pay it off and as quickly as possible. But what if I told you that strategy could actually be holding you back from building serious wealth? Today, I'm going to show you why using the equity in your home could make you far more in the longer term. And yes, it's legal, smart, and completely achievable. Here's the problem with paying off your mortgage aggressively. Your money sits there earning very little. Let's say you've got a mortgage at 4% interest rate. Paying it off early gives you in fact a 4% return tax-free. Yes, but most savvy investors can earn 8, 10, 12 or even 20% by investing elsewhere, depending upon their attitude to risk. If you have investments like shares, bonds, or other properties, putting extra cash into them can grow your wealth faster than just chipping away at your mortgage. And here's the kicker. Property in the UK has historically appreciated by about 7 to 8% per annum. If you lock your money into one property by paying it off early, you're limiting your upside potential. Now let's talk refinancing. Refinancing simply means using the equity in your property or other assets to release cash. This cash can then be invested elsewhere. For example, if you have a property or investment worth say 2.5 million and you have a 1 million mortgage, that's 1.5 million in equity sat there doing nothing. So by refinancing, you could release £875,000 at a 75% loan to value mortgage on a property valued at 2.5 million. This will then allow you to invest in other properties, shares, or even a business adventure. The key is low interest rates and smart leverage, so you're not losing money. You're using other people's money, in this case the banks, to grow your wealth while your original asset continues to appreciate. It's not just your main home that you can leverage. You can refinance buy-to-let properties. You can extract equity to buy more rental units. Shares and investment portfolios can be leveraged. Some lenders allow portfolio-backed lending. Business assets like commercial property or even equipment can sometimes be used to secure lending. By strategically leveraging all of these assets, you're creating a cycle of growth. Instead of paying down debt slowly, you're using it to generate more income, which can cover your mortgage repayments and leave extra profit in your pocket. Let me give you a real example of a client that we've recently assisted. The property was valued at £3 million and the existing mortgage was £750,000. So instead of paying off the mortgage, we refinanced to release £1,050,000 and we looked to invest that in equity portfolios for the longer term, taking professional advice from wealth managers. Meanwhile, the property continued to grow, and looking at 10% per annum compounded growth over 20 years, that original 1.05 million, the mortgage that we refinanced and invested with a 10% compound annual rate will then be worth in 20 years on that basis over £7 million. It's all about using leverage wisely and not recklessly. The smarter you are about managing your debt, the faster your net worth grows. Of course, nothing comes without risk. Leveraging your home means you must plan carefully, never overextend. Consider interest rate rises and repayment terms. Sometimes fixing for 10 years allows you to plan your cash flow with confidence. Always seek professional advice from mortgage specialists and financial advisors. But if done correctly, the rewards far outweigh simply paying down your mortgage slowly. It's a mindset shift. Debt is not always the enemy. Understanding and using it strategically can be one of the most powerful wealth building tools you have. So before you rush to pay off your mortgage, think about how you can use that equity wisely and grow your wealth and assets faster over the longer term. If you want to learn exactly how to structure refinancing for maximum gain, please get in touch or comment below. If you found this video useful, please hit subscribe or like the video. Share it with anyone you know who's serious about building their wealth.